Have you ever felt stuck, trying every fitness tip, every skincare hack, and still not seeing results? What if I told you the real secret to transformation isn't just in the gym or your skincare products, but something much deeper? In this video, I'm sharing the ultimate guide to body transformation and care. Whether you're looking to lose weight, glow up, or simply feel better in your skin, I've got you covered. We'll dive into personal stories, expert tips, and practical advice you can start today. And trust me, this isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Ready to unlock the best version of yourself? Let's get started. A few years ago, I was at my lowest point. I felt drained, both physically and emotionally. No matter what I tried, I couldn't seem to get out of that rut. Then, I realized something important. Transformation isn't about one big change. It's about the little steps we take every day. Like waking up 5 minutes earlier to stretch, drinking a glass of water before your coffee, or swapping negative self-talk with words of kindness. These small habits became the foundation of my journey. And trust me, if I can do it, so can you. Let's talk about nutrition, one of the pillars of transformation. You don't have to eat like a rabbit to feel amazing. Focus on balance, not restriction. Instead of cutting carbs, try choosing whole grains. Replace sugary snacks with fruits you enjoy. And don't forget to hydrate. Your skin and body will thank you. Speaking of hydration, here's a quick tip. Add a slice of lemon or cucumber to your water to make it feel like a treat. Now let's move on to fitness, but not how you think. You don't need to hit the gym for hours to see results. Start with just 15 minutes a day. Even a simple walk can make a difference. The key is consistency, not intensity. Strength training is my favorite because it's empowering. But you can choose yoga, dance, or anything that makes you happy. Fitness should feel like self-care, not punishment. Now, let's talk about body care, a part many people overlook. Did you know your skin is your body's largest organ? It needs love and care, just like the rest of you. Start with the basics: cleanse, exfoliate, and moisturize. Use products that suit your skin type. And don't forget sunscreen. It's non-negotiable. For a day-wide treat, try mixing coffee grounds with coconut oil for a natural scrub. It's cheap, effective, and smells amazing. Taking care of your body isn't just physical, it's mental too. Stress impacts your body more than you realize. Make time for activities that relax you, like meditation or journaling. Even a few minutes of deep breathing can reset your day. Sleep is another game changer for transformation. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality rest every night. It's when your body repairs itself and your skin regenerates. A good nighttime routine can help you sleep better. Try turning off screens an hour before bed. Read a book, take a warm bath, or listen to calming music. Speaking of routines, morning rituals are just as important. Start your day with intention. A quick stretch, a gratitude journal, or a healthy breakfast sets the tone. Let's not forget the power of self-love in this journey. Transformation begins with accepting yourself as you are right now. It's not about looking like someone else. It's about becoming the best version of you. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small. Be patient with yourself. Change takes time. Remember, you're not just transforming your body, but your mindset too. Now, here's a practical plan you can follow. Start by setting one small goal this week. Maybe it's drinking more water or walking for 10 minutes daily. Next week, add another habit. Build momentum one step at a time. Track your progress. It's motivating to see how far you've come. You can use a journal or an app to log your habits. Don't hesitate to ask for support. A workout buddy or accountability partner can make a big difference. And remember, there's no one-size-fits-all approach. Find what works for you and stick with it. On days you feel like giving up, remind yourself why you started. Visualize your goals and the person you're becoming. Take a moment to appreciate the effort you've put in. Progress isn't always visible, but it's happening. Be proud of yourself for showing up. As we wrap up, here's my favorite mantra. Small steps lead to big changes. You don't have to do everything perfectly. Just keep moving forward. Your body and mind will thank you for it. Now, let's hear from some experts who've helped others transform. Dr. Sarah, a nutritionist, says it best. Transformation starts with fueling your body, not depriving it. And Coach Alex reminds Just, the best workout is the one you enjoy. Their insights have been game changers for me, and I know they will be for you too. Finally, I want to leave you with this thought. Your body is your home. It's where you'll live your entire life. Treat it with the care and respect it deserves. Don't wait for a special occasion to start your journey. The best time to begin is now. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. I hope you feel inspired and ready to take action. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's build a community where we support and uplift each other. Share your goals or progress in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, transformation isn't a destination, it's a lifelong process. Together, we can make self-care and self-love a priority. Stay fit, stay focused, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. You're worth it. See you next time!